co-host here. I'm here with Jay and my sister, and we're gonna try some UK snacks for the very first time. My friend DustedNerd's in them from the UK, and we're gonna just try them. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Alright, this is our first one. I don't know what it is, but I'm guessing that's mine. That's yours. And that's yours. Alright. It just goes. This looks like a banana. So.
I know it looks really delicious. Now I want one. We're like,
It's just like a marshmallow.
It's like those.
I had these before, so I already know what they taste like. I haven't had all of them.
I know, right?
Yeah.
No, like a peanut.
My friend from a
Oh,
different
soft peanuts, right?
has these,
That's what I was
those
thinking.
bunnies.
and they're delicious.
Like our peanut, those candy peanuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. That's pretty good.
Now,
That's the banana.
should we try?
Oh, was I supposed to?
This is I guess it's shrimp.
Looks like it.
It looks like shrimp. It doesn't look like.
hard.
I just ate it.
This one's really hard.
Tastes like
Can I just
a
mix one?
gum. I don't know.
It tastes like the peanuts.
Can we look through it?
I don't know. It tastes like gummy.
It started raining.
It's like those
I
bunnies.
always wanted to try this one, but I'm gonna. I want this one. I want to try this one.
Like,
Use
No,
that
I
one.
I was gonna say
We can
like
cut
that.
No, it's still like a peanut.
I don't know.
It's like a
Let's help
bunny.
them get all
You know
these
what?
bunnies off.
Actually, it does
Can we
taste
have
good.
one?
It's
No. After they're done.
All right. Well, anyways, but that's the first one.
Wait.
It was pretty good.
Oh.
Oh no, it's not.
This is what they tried, which was the shrimps and bananas.
Oh no!
It's good. It's delicious.
Oh no!
You got the aftertaste on that
Oh
one. Give me two.
Yeah, this is the only one, so we're gonna have to break it.
They're
That one, no, this one we're not doing.
no! I like the banana one.
They're not even taste like that. They got a lot of sugar in them.
Let's do the next one.
Okay. Yeah.
We're editing this out, right?
Pots.
I'm choosing.
All right. Here's the next one. It looks like it's a chip, apparently. It's a potato chip.
I don't know what kind of music it is.
That's the beauty of it. We don't know what kind it
These are my favorite.
is. After that, fucking good. I'm sorry, that's really good. What is it? A kettle chip, right? That's kettle chip.
Oh, yeah, it tastes pretty
Yes.
good.
No, I have to be scared.
Can I
It's-
reveal it to them?
Foreign.
I'm sorry, but this one's really good.
It tastes like
One,
lime and
two.
popcorn mixed in.
But oh, look at this kettle chip. I'm a fat ass. I like chips.
This one. It's so
Okay.
delicious when you choose it.
On to the next one.
Open.
All right, guys, we're on the next one. It's a marshmallow.
I don't like marshmallow.
It's a unicorn marshmallow.
I don't like marshmallow.
Too bad. Too bad.
All right, let's taste it. I'm
These
guessing
are my
strawberry
favorites so
banana.
far. Those are my second favorite so far. I haven't tried these yet. What?
I don't like marshmallow, guys.
If it's strawberry banana, I'm fucking
These are
legit.
delicious.
That's actually really good.
Junior, you ready to
I
choose
just
the
like
next one?
marshmallows. What is it?
They're good.
It actually doesn't say. It's
Fuck.
called plum.
If it's strawberry banana, let me know, Matt. Dustin. Let me know if it's strawberry banana.
You said that.
I wanna be legit and tell you that it's fucking good.
I don't like it.
Well,
It doesn't like you.
I think it's good.
Marshmallows
I think it's
suck.
good.
Dia. Dia.
There you go.
I think so.
The water.
Oh,
All right, guys. This is
Whoa.
It's a
I don't even
penguin.
know what it is. It says
It's a
pick up a penguin.
I think it's shaped like a penguin inside.
Penguin.
they're having trouble trying to say it, so I'm putting it up so you can see it.
Yeah. Y'all tell me what it says because I don't really know what
I'm
it
not used
says.
to chocolate.
Broke mine.
Like in all my other videos,
Somebody take
I
this
let
from
y'all
me, I
know
don't like it.
I'm illiterate.
As soon as I took a
Okay.
taste, I go like
Illiterate.
Somebody take this. I don't want it.
And I'm drunk right now, so it
Jake,
doesn't fucking
you want
matter.
it? I don't like it. I just took the tiniest
Okay,
nibble ever.
y'all ready?
I just took the tiniest nibble ever.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it melted really fast.
I don't like it.
I don't like dark chocolate
Dude,
that
the
much.
chocolate melts really fast.
I don't like it.
What is it?
There's like a cookie covered in chocolate.
Right?
With chocolate.
It's dark chocolate.
Is it?
Like powdered chocolate?
It's melting on my fingers!
I don't know. It looks like dookie on my hand.
It looks like shit.
Okay,
I
from
don't
what
like
it
it.
says on the package, it says that it is
Plain.
milk chocolate covered biscuit bar filled with chocolate cream.
So it's a biscuit.
It's milk chocolate.
Yes.
It's a milk chocolate on a biscuit?
I'll be that kind of biscuit,
Oh
but
my god, these are like beauties.
Dustin, what did you send me?
No, they're beauties.
You sent me a chocolate biscuit.
They're beauties.
Not sure how I felt about
I don't like it too much.
it. What did you get me into?
Napkins, please.
Oh, you know.
Napkins.
Y'all ready for the next one?
Yeah, next one.
No, not
Yeah.
that one.
Oh.
Go ahead with the next one. There we go.
Alright.
This is the next one.
Alright. Dustin, I don't know how y'all ate that chocolate one. My fingers are like oily. I mean, I'm fat, but goddamn, I don't know what you sent me. But damn it!
Too much chocolate on that one.
Yeah, that was
What is this?
my fucking napkins. What the fuck?
It's like a gummy.
It's a cherry.
It's a gummy snack.
Is it?
It looks like a gummy snack.
Y'all didn't see that shit. I'm still gonna eat it. I don't fucking care.
I don't know. It's such a,
Ah, it's breaking apart.
Okay, so.
it's like a little pie.
Okay.
Just
Oh,
flip it.
got it.
I got it. Alright. You ready?
There you go.
Bon appetit, guys.
It's breaking.
I'll get a whole cherry.
Oh,
Double two cherries.
so dry.
No, it's right. Tasting snacks when you're drunk? It sounds fun, but it's not.
Once again, why did I volunteer?
Because you love me.
Too dry on that one.
Alright. Alright. The biscuits dry. Or the pie crust dry. The cream is just way too sweet.
Yeah.
And the cherry, I'm not a big fan of cherries, but I'm just not a big fan of cherry.
Are you gonna eat all of this when you're sober?
I am.
Okay. Are you gonna
Did you not hear me? I'm fat.
Yes.
This is going to be
Yes,
eaten.
you are.
Yeah. Alright, well. Alright. Yeah, that cherry's overbearing.
Yeah.
And it has, if you can see, come closer.
For what?
Come closer.
For what?
Because it has filling
It does have to.
Okay.
right here on the bottom. It has like a cherry filling. That cherry on top was just too much. Plus the cherry filling on the bottom. It's just overbearing. But
Too dry. It's too dry.
Thank you for these lovely snacks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this is the one that they were trying.
Thank you for the.
It
Thank
got
you.
blurry.
I appreciate them. I am very
There it is.
appreciative.
Alright.
And this is what
I
you
thought you said it was
Say it again.
Dustin.
What you do to me, man?
Which one?
I thought it was Dustin.
It is dusted, but I'm gonna call him Matt right now. Because goddamn it. Good.
Go ahead.
Alright, this is the next one. It's a wafer with marshmallow. Woofer. It's a woofer. With marshmallow. It looks like marshmallow.
So, look at that. It just comes right off.
Don't you do it. You eat the goddamn marshmallow.
I don't know.
Alright, well, me and Jay are gonna eat the whole thing.
Look at that.
I
Well,
don't know about the whole thing.
not the whole thing, but we're gonna sample it.
Alright.
Wait a minute. It's like a stale cookie.
What?
That is so stale.
It's stale.
Probably been in there for a while.
It's like an eggo that you left out forever.
Not like
It's like an eggo. It's like an eggo you just left out.
This Wafer tastes weird.
This Wafer tastes weird. It's
Wafer.
a wafer.
It's a wafer.
It's a wafer. Okay, it's a wafer
It's
cookie.
like one of those church cookies.
Oh, this
Not everybody goes to church. Not everybody goes to church.
I would.
Okay, what my sister was saying, it's like the church cookies that we used to go get when we were Catholic. And you go in, and they would put it in your mouth, and it's like the stillest shit in the world.
I don't think it's that bad.
Okay, no, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
I don't think it's that bad anymore. I used to love these.
It's God's bread.
It's God's Wafer.
It's God's woofer.
You know what?
Hey, but after
It
Once
don't
you get
taste all
used,
that bad.
it's
once
pretty
you
good.
get used to it, it's fine.
Hey, you know the marshmallow? Eat it.
This is better with a marshmallow.
Don't you fucking eat the marshmallow. Oh.
ready.
Alright guys, this is the next. What the fuck is that? This is the next. This is the next one we're gonna try. It looks like shit.
It looks like a person.
Honestly, it just looks like something sweet.
Did y'all get the same flavor or is it different?
Is it? Alright.
There, I think
Yours is green.
I'm learning
You got,
green.
you got purple.
Hey.
Are these kind of like the
Purple
Sour
game.
Punch straws?
Okay.
Sour Patch Kids.
Is it?
I haven't tried it yet. Y'all tell me.
I know, but.
Y'all try it and tell me.
I want to smell it first. It
No,
doesn't
it's
smell like
powder.
anything.
It's like a powder. I don't even know.
Oh, that's a nougat.
Uh,
That's nougat. Oh,
I
that's
don't
horrible
even know
nougat.
what nougat is.
Ah!
You
No.
just spit it out, right?
I like how they're like.
And like,
You know, this one's not that bad.
Let me try it. Okay, the green nougat. I think a green nougat. That purple one was shit.
Give it to me. Don't eat it all like a bag. Give it to me.
No, yeah, we're pretty fine. Yeah.
Which one did y'all get? Y'all got
We
the
got
purple
we
one?
got the purple one.
Okay.
That green one
Mine
tastes
is
pretty
that
good.
powdery stuff
Okay,
that's all
wait,
over
wait.
it.
Yeah, the purple one tastes like shit.
I'm not even right. That powder stuff that's all over it.
gonna take
It's
a
not-
look.
it's weird. But no.
It's a reaction video. Come on now. Oh yeah. Ah.
Because of the smell.
There's also one more flavor. Did you want to try the other flavor as well?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh no, I got one.
Oh, it's orange.
I tried to see your reaction.
Okay, I don't like grape to begin with.
Here.
I got one.
How the hell did you get an orange one?
Alright.
It disappeared.
Okay, I'm guessing these are the jelly babies.
Oh wait, just
These are the jelly babies.
How did you know?
Because the name's right there.
Okay.
Man, that orange one's lit.
Orange ones are good.
That orange was good.
There's a purple one that's not big.
That purple one, I don't know what the fuck that is.
Grape is gross.
Grape is.
But
I like grape.
But the
I almost look black. Grape is good to me. But that grape was
I don't
horrible.
have one.
anyway, the grape is gross. The green one's good. And the orange one's a little bad.
Nah, I'm good.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah. I already tasted
Hey
it.
dude, I gave him a piece.
Okay, let's try the next one.
We're gonna
Missed it.
try.
Missed
I thought you
it.
were taking a picture.
Hey.
No, we're recording.
We're recording. Oh. You wanna try one? Get your ass back over here.
You don't want
Alright. This is our next one.
In the kitchen. Right in the kitchen.
It's more chocolate.
After that.
Yay.
It says Milka. Milka what? Milka cow.
Alright, you too good. It's just like the other one tasted chocolate over chocolate.
No, that's candy in that. I actually like it. It's sweet. It really is sweet. It's a little more sweeter than our chocolate. But it has a candy inside.
It kind of tastes like sneaker.
It's like our Butterfingers, but without.
The candy inside.
It's like the Butterfinger, but without all that. No.
Fruits inside. To me, it tastes like sneakers.
You want it to taste like? It tastes like. What the fuck is that candy? It tastes like one of our candies. No. It's a chocolate and you eat it, but it has a lot of that nutty flavor in it. Like real hardcore nutty flavor in it.
I used to eat
I used to eat this a lot when I was little.
I don't know what they're called.
Keep thinking,
No,
I forgot what it's called. But these are good. Milka. Milka cow.
Drives me crazy. What is that? Where's my phone?
No, you can't look it up.
I want to look it up.
This is the next one, guys. Which one's that? Which one? How much has that been?
I don't know.
We started off with the banana, with the shrimp. And we went to a marshmallow. And then, okay.
probably like a 6-1.
My camera woman's telling me to hurry the fuck up.
She's
So-
like, just eat the candy. So, here we got,
A Bourbon. What the fuck's
I
that?
think it's
Bourbon.
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 I'm a little it.
More chocolate.
More chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate cookie within, I guess, chocolate cream. Oh, that's fire. Oh my god, that's fire. My sister don't like it. What the fuck? That is dry.
I don't know, it's pretty good.
It's pretty good for being dry though.
Yeah, I like this one.
I don't even taste the cream.
It's like,
I just taste the cookie.
it's like Teddy Graham.
Right? Teddy Graham. It's a chocolate Teddy Graham with cream in it.
Always that good girl.
Teddy Graham?
Okay, sad to say it, but y'all are all wrong. It's an actual biscuit.
It's a biscuit.
But it
Biscuits.
tastes like a Teddy Graham.
Bourbon. Bourbon biscuits.
Bourbon.
Bourbon.
I don't know.
I'm joking.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is actually pretty good, to be honest. I'm actually finish it. But I'm fat. And I have no friend.
Ready for the next? Ready for the next one?
Let's go.
3 out of
What's that
20.
about, mijo?
Oh, that's a.
Big seal.
It's a goddamn cookie.
It's a cookie with a little umbrella on it.
Just about to say
Is
that.
it an umbrella? I thought it was like a flower.
It looks more like an umbrella than a flower.
Alright, well, anyways. I'm
Here it
gonna
goes.
I'm gonna fucking eat it. Oh my god, that hurt. That hurt. Hey, that's pretty good though. Ow. I bit my tooth. I bit my tooth.
I bit my tooth.
I bit my tooth.
I don't know how
But I bit my cheek.
bite your tooth.
Don't you judge me.
Oh,
See, like 6 times after this.
I'm gonna have to. I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm just fat. I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna do sit-ups. I'm just gonna let my stomach hang. Hey, but those are good. What are they?
It's like a biscuit with some kind of sweetness on top.
Is it?
They're ice gems.
What?
Ice cream.
Ice gems. Hey man, those are fucking good.
What's this, dude?
Ice gems.
Those are good.
It is like blurry. Still blurry. Yeah, that would help.
What's in there?
Next.
And what it says on the side, it says that it's fruit flavored ice topping biscuits.
Biscuit.
They're good.
Next.
Okay, next one. Go.
Let's go.
How many of these do we have?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, right now you'll have 3 on there.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Hey, we got gummies. I guess this is our next one.
Oh, look, they're like little gummy worms.
They're snakes. There's snakes.
There's something wrong with the only one.
Was I wrong or is it 2?
Oh,
It's 2.
Oh, it's 2. My bad, 2.
they're good.
What is this?
The orange one's pretty good. Hey, eat the orange one.
I ate a red one.
Is it red or am I colorblind? I'm a colorblind now.
Nah,
Is it red?
what, this one?
Oh, it is red. I said orange.
I think. I don't know. It looks a
Hey!
little bit of both.
This snake.
Or maybe that one was orange.
The snake, there was 3 different colors. There was a green one, there was an orange, or you could say red. It's, I don't know,
Hey.
orange,
Hey.
red, whichever color you prefer saying.
Watch me just.
And then there was this dark looking purple one.
Watch me decapitate this purple one.
I already ate this
Watch
snake.
me. Watch me.
I'm moving.
Ah!
He's still mad at
I
me.
bit my finger.
I can't think.
Yeah.
What did y'all think of the gummies?
They're good.
Hey, the gummies are good.
They're good?
No.
It's like our gummies.
This looks like a.
Okay. I'm gonna heat some napkin because this one has napkin on it.
This is scary.
Sorry, that one should have actually been on a plate. It's
Ooh.
kind of sticky.
Go for it.
This looks like a taffy.
Go for
Yeah, I'm gonna go for it.
it.
I'm gonna start with the strawberry side. Yeah,
Wow.
pink.
Eat this.
It's pink, so I'm guessing strawberry.
What do you have in your mouth?
I like it.
It's like a taffy marshmallow.
Alright.
I don't know. I actually like this. Don't choke, man. But it's like a taffy marshmallow. It's like our world with the angels' world comes together
It's like laughing
in
world.
perfect harmony.
Can you say that? They want to try the.
Hey, don't you worry about it.
It's like
No.
What?
Let me make one.
Huh?
Okay, this is the worms, gummy worms that they were trying.
it's like the laughing
And that
world
was
marshmallow
the
world.
pink one that
Yeah.
they were pink and white one.
Yeah, like Laffy Taffy with marshmallows.
I know.
That's actually really good. I like this one.
There's a green one.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh! Hey! There's a green one.
What is this?
That's what I said a second ago.
Laffy Taffy?
It's like Laffy Taffy and a marshmallow.
What? No.
Try it.
Really?
Try it.
Can I stretch it?
I don't know, but you can just try it.
What?
I'm saying it's like a big hunk.
Nah, brah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So, anyway, I go say Laffy Taffy.
Laffy Taffy.
What a
Marshmallow.
Oh god.
Hey, this is my brother-in-law.
It broke off. There's no stretching. There's no Laffy Taffy. I'm disappointed. I quit.
Don't you fucking do that.
Done.
Don't you do that.
What is he gonna give me?
A gummy, here.
Nothing.
Here!
A little piece of gummy.
A little piece of gummy.
And then the
Then
string.
that's just my mouth anyways.
Hey, look here.
You like the gummy.
I love the gummy.
That's right.
Do you stretch?
On to the next.
Yeah, it's all torn up.
No, brah. You ready? All right. We're on the next one. Mario, you want some of my banana in your mouth?
I would love your banana in my mouth.
Yeah. Oh yes! All right, but we're gonna get serious.
Can't eat.
Looks like a brownie.
God, that's so great. Y'all can talk. Y'all can talk. And let me savor this.
Savor my banana. All right. This looks like a nougat.
I'm not savoring. This is nasty.
Oh. I know what this is. I don't know what this
It looks
is.
like a raisin.
What?
Wait,
What is
did I put a raisin in my mouth?
Like the raisins that dance?
No.
Sorry, it's old school.
Debbie was right. Is this a bonbon?
You're a bonbon.
I am a bonbon.
Love the bonbon.
Yeah.
Hey, he
You
wants,
gotta have the bonbon.
he wants you to eat it.
Is this a bonbon?
Yeah.
This one all together
Yeah.
or solely?
Eat it.
Yeah.
We gonna cheers? Yes, guys.
Cheers.
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 Love it.
Eat it! Is it a bonbon?
That's a con.
This
I don't like it.
is what they're eating.
What is it?
They each get one.
Hi.
Okay.
One of-
The second bite's not good.
I think that's like.
First bite's not good.
The first bite was alright.
they get
I didn't like
one
it.
each of the
Was that
gummies.
an apricot? That's an apricot.
It's a nougat.
A nougat beyond an apricot.
What is it? What is it?
That's an apricot.
Malt lunchbox loaf.
Apricot.
What the fuck is that?
Next.
That was like
Alright guys, we're on the last one.
Captain O's Leaf brand.
Yeah, it was
Still on the other
Alright.
Oh, this is Starburst.
Oh,
These are mini
that's not Starburst.
Hey, Starburst.
mini
That is
Starburst. Yeah.
That is not Starburst.
Yeah, it is.
Wait a minute.
I bet.
Cool.
Oh wow.
Starburst.
I did.
We have these at the USA.
Awesome. Right
They
here in
do.
candy.
They're just not this shape. They're
Oh
not.
yeah. I really do use some Nicorette.
They're not. These look like Nicorette gum.
Yeah.
No, the minis are this shape.
Oh,
Oh there?
no, they're more
Yes.
square.
It
Watch-
says
watch your
new,
lip.
but we
Watch your
have
lip.
this here.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Thank you.
Watch your lip. Let me
There we
form
go.
you. Let me form you. That's ours.
No, the orange ones are terrible.
They look like that.
My finger. Love it. Wait, I made too much.
Yeah. He bit off too much. I don't know.
Like, oh, these are my fingers.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you know I upload every day.
You don't want to.
Yeah, you do. Don't
This
listen to
one's
them.
better.
Hey,
You're not gonna
by
learn
the way,
anything.
this is his face.
This is my face. This is truly I'll be
Face reveal.
Oh, I just. I mean,
You just you just all over the place. Okay. But please hit the notification. I will upload every day. These are my family. This is literally my family. But I'll see y'all in the next one. Hey, Ness!
Go.
Alright guys, well we did say it was the last one and I did say see y'all in the next one. But we got this what is it called? We have these here. And
I would say capsule.
they're a chocolate egg with a chocolate white inside and it has a toy in there. He was afraid for me to show it because they said that they were illegal in the USA, but they're not because we have them.
Only because you can't show, but you grow it.
It literally has a toy in the inside of the candy. We're adults, so we can do this.
Hey!
So we're gonna try it. It's pretty much a hazelnut chocolate with white chocolate in the middle. And yes, it's like the exact same things we have.
So Malcolm in the middle.
Malcolm in the middle.
Well, lit.
That's right.
Awesome.
Mhm.
Malcolm in the middle. Make it happen.
Yeah.
So,
No business.
It's those surprise eggs. That's what it is. And these are delicious. Always,
Cloud.
always delicious.
Cloud.
Oh,
Oh.
I got a fucking cloud, and I'm gonna love it.
no, you didn't.
Cloud?
Yeah, you got cloud.
Cloud, man.
Oh my god, never mind. Bottom line is a 7, I was thinking cloud.
party
He's
it
got a
out.
cloud man, legitimately cloud
Is
man.
it really cloud or is it showing
No,
you
it's
what?
a cloud man.
Oh, what the fuck?
Look.
I don't know what it is, but look at him. Look at him.
That's
I don't think that's it. I think that's part of
a
it.
cloud man.
It's part of it.
Not cloud.
But I like it, and I'm gonna keep it. Thanks, DustedNerd. I really appreciate all the snacks that you sent us.
Those are really good.
It was really good. Some of it wasn't, but I'm gonna eat them anyways because I'm fat.
Yes, we love you.
And we love you. And I'll catch you tomorrow.